Goal setting. Goal setting is the planned development of an individual or group. It is designed to motivate and guide a person or group towards a goal. Coaches use different techniques to identify the improvements of the athletes they are working with. For example, they can set goals throughout the season to motivate the individuals. Goals can be things such as shout 5 players' names before passing the ball in hockey. This goal could help an athlete that isn't very good with communication. Effective demonstration. Effective demonstration is a coaching technique that coaches use for visual learners. They make sure that they demonstrate when coaching so that they understand more what they are doing. Individuals may learn from demonstration better, which means they can pick up actions and movements which can't just be told verbally. This interaction the coach has with the groups will show a positive coaching method. For example, they can make it more interactive by allowing a student to demonstrate with them. They might pick a student that they know is more of a visual learner so that they learn the drill quicker.